What's up, everyone? Before I even start this video, I just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for all the supporters who's been subscribing and leaving me your comments. I really appreciate all you guys, your feedback and everything. And yeah, leave a subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to this store, this small shop called Heroic Goods and Games, I believe, and it's owned by the owner named Paul, if I'm correct. But yeah, let's get into it. So before I even start, I just want to say this store was really small, and I really didn't know anything about it. This is my very first time of checking out this store. I heard that they had comic books, and look at that, they had a ton of comic book long boxes, short boxes, I guess there, and it was very interesting. I was curious, and they had a lot of board games. They had a lot of mini action figures. I don't collect that many, but then I do have a few figures. I'm more of a comic book collector. X Factor.
How do you spell it? I'm not finding it, sorry.
Oh, YUNG.
And that's Comic Exchange show. I didn't make it to that.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I was here, so it's fine. That's fun. They're all good people.
I think that's a good book.
I tell Chris to do a Sunday show because then I'll spend it. Sorry, so yeah, we're getting out of comics.
Oh yeah.
I just don't know. I mean, as you can see, we're so full with everything. We have so much stuff right now. Yeah, we'll leave boxes out later. So it's good. Look, but it's, yeah, so everything's 75% off.
Cool.
Or, sorry, 75 cents a piece on the comics right now. What we got left.
Every single book here?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's bittersweet because I collect comics myself, but we just don't have the space to do it right.
All right. Cool.
And as you know, we got so many awesome stores in town.
Yeah.
We're definitely top of mind for video games, but yeah, so they're 20 to 15, but if you don't find 20, that's okay too.
Cool.
But still, even though we've had them on clearance, but we used to have about 4 times the amount in stock. So
Oh yeah.
They haven't picked through, there's no Spider-Man, a couple things gone, but still some decent stuff, especially at 75 cents.
All right.
talk to if you want. I just got these back today. So, long story
Yeah.
short. But I have a friend at CGC and they've just started DC cards. So these are the first 5 ever.
Oh, really?
He needed samples. So I collect all kinds of non-sports myself. So these are the first 5 DC comic cards ever graded by CGC.
That's so
I don't know if
cool.
I'm gonna sell them because they did come from my own stuff, like they're mine. I don't know, but yeah, I was really excited. So, but they're all from the 1966 set, 1966
man.
Batman set. So yeah,
I don't know. These might be expensive in the future.
they are. I mean, a PSA 5 this week did sell for 500. So
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what
Dang.
the CGC usually sells less than PSA still because they're not. They just started grading non-sports cards.
Yeah,
but
yeah. I heard about that.
Comic cards look to me. Comic cards look right in it.
Yeah.
So I'm pumped.
I like that one.
Yeah, no, Batman's the best. So.
Nice.
It's not kidding. We definitely never too
I think unless she likes cats a lot, and then she might just cry.
There you go. No, it's a fun game. It's very silly. It's very like not that bad. No.
You know, actually, let me see the other one. So that one is for 2. How many people do you need for the other one?
Yeah, so the other one is 2 to 4.
Oh, well, that would actually be better. That provides.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's not some another set of 6 either.
Okay. Yeah.
So it still does play fine. You know, we played it. But it is just
All right. Let's get right to the books that I picked up. And I want to say again, thank you so much, Paul, for letting me record your store for some content. And don't forget, guys, if you guys are in the Minnesota area, do check it out. Look it up. Heroic Goods and Games. It's a great store. Shadow of the Bat #1. And I think this is probably one of my favorites that I picked up, which I never see around at all. Geiger #1. This is a variant cover. More like a Marvel variant kind of edition. I think people have been specking on that. It's been auctioned for a movie, so we'll see how that goes. Superman 170. This is the first appearance of Mongol or something. Mongol's sister, who's also evil, more evil than him. Supergirl #33. I think this is the recalled edition. I'm not sure. And this book I really liked. Supergirl #1. Look at that. Wonderful cover. And I have this variant cover of Supergirl #31. Trying to move it out the glare. And Sin City #1. I think there was a movie about it. I haven't seen it, so I'll probably watch it. And New Avengers #6. This is the second appearance of Maria Hill. Batman Detective Comics 944. Wonderful cover. Look at that. Batman in the bottom there with his shadow reflecting off of the water, I guess. Detective Comics 629. Detective Comics 625. And I found this book, The Creed #1. Issue #1. I think it's a pretty nasty book, to be honest, because he's made out of dead feces, I think. Captain America, what is this? 110? This is the one with the serpentine or something. The key book that everyone's been trying to buy. It's kind of damaged right here. I couldn't really read the issue number. 210, I think. Batman #4. This is not a key issue. I just like the cover, so why not? Batwoman number 4, and Flash number 7. All new X-Men number 3, and this one as well, Batman and Robin number 1, issue number 1. I think this is the first appearance of or first storyline of Professor Pig. I may be wrong. Batman 12. And the rest is Swamp Thing number 11 and number 17. Awesome covers. But yeah, that's all I got from the comic book haul from that store. It's a great place. Do check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.